In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and taujsabsh.wordpress.com. We'll walk through how to start from a quick Google search, get into your WordPress.com dashboard, open the area where you manage your sites, and then find a specific plugin by name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently reach the plugin's details page. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WordPress and press Enter. You're looking for the official WordPress.com result. Click through to the site. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your dashboard. If not, sign in with your usual account so the tools we need appear. This guide uses the WordPress.com interface, which looks a bit different from self-hosted WordPress, so make sure you're on WordPress.com. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the sidebar for the section where you manage your sites. Click the option labeled Manage Sites or the equivalent link in your sidebar. This opens a consolidated view of all sites connected to your account. It's a handy place to confirm you're working on the right site, especially if you manage more than one. If you don't immediately see your site, use the search or filters at the top of that page to find it. Next, from the same dashboard sidebar, click on Plugins. This area is where you browse and control extensions that add extra features to your site. Note that on WordPress.com, plugins are available on specific plans and user roles. If you don't see the plugins menu, you may need the right permissions or plan. When you do have access, you'll see a searchable list of plugins and categories. At the top of the plugins screen, find the search field and type exactly Review importer and product reviews. Give it a moment to load matching results. This plugin is designed to help bring product reviews into your store and display them, which is especially useful if you run an online shop with WooCommerce. As results appear, watch for the correct name to ensure you're opening the right listing. Finally, click on Review importer and product reviews from the results. This opens the plugin's details page, where you can read the description, check screenshots, see compatibility notes, review the last updated date, and scan user ratings. It's a great spot to verify that it fits your site's needs and works with your current theme and commerce setup. And that's it. You searched for WordPress, opened your site management area, went to Plugins, searched for the Review plugin by name, and opened its details page. From here, you can review all the information you need to decide your next move.